It's how the pelvis, the ilium, and the depth and the shallowness of that acetabulum and the stress that the structure receives will express that joint range of motion. And so if we're not taking that into consideration, now you're going to start running into, biased issues when you're only just testing joint range of motion. And joint range of motion isn't giving you the full story. Question becomes, how is their structure positioned? How is it going to express movement? And then what is their quality of control and stability like relative towards the structure and how it moves? So for example, like you'll see a lot of hip hike, right? In pitchers, especially in that lead leg block, you'll see a hip hike, and depending on that hip hike will express a different range of motion and available range of motion on this hip compared to the hip that's decompressed. So that's just something that we need to start taking into consideration, along with the shallowness or the depth of that acetabulum will also dictate how much available range of motion is in that femoral head. And there's even athletes that will have a thicker femoral head. And so all of that and all those variables combined is going to really make this individual very unique. And that is why, like when we do our SARS screening, system action reaction stability test, looking at motor output, putting their body in different positions, seeing how well they can hold and control that position, doing a joint range of motion, and then repeating the SARS. Because what we tend to see is that when athletes are doing active joint range of motion assessments, you're going to apply mechanical stress at that end range neurologically and physiologically. And what we tend to see is that in the second SARS screening, their system and their control of stability depletes and decreases after exceeding joint end ranges. So that's just something that we need to take in consideration, that it's not just about available joint range of motion, it's understanding why is the athlete expressing that range of motion.